Hey everybody, hope you're well. Gary Fernan here for Photoreceptorcell, and in today's very quick guide I'm going to show you how to precisely move layers. So here we are in Photoshop. Now for the purposes of this quick guide I'm using colors, so I've got the white layer and a teal colored layer. But really what you'd use this for is if you're overlaying photographs, let's say you've done a double exposure of either a product or a portrait or something like that, and you want to overlay the two layers together but they don't quite match. What I'm going to show you here is a very precise way of matching those layers up. As I say, for the purposes of this guide, I'm using colors to demonstrate that. So you can move the layers manually, so hit V on the keyboard, brings up the move tool, and then you can move your layer in any direction. But if you want to be precise, look at the cursor keys on the keyboard. Now basically the cursor keys are the up, down, left and right arrows. So if I hit the down arrow, 1, 2, 3, keep going like that, it moves it 1 pixel at a time, and the same that way. Okay, but if I hold down the shift key and hit it, it moves it 10 pixels at a time. There you go guys, that is it. I told you it was going to be very quick, and it's just a very quick way of you being able to move layers and being precise whilst doing it. Guys, I hope you found some use in this. Put it to use and let us know what you think. Take care guys, and I shall speak to you soon.